Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Keeping the OptinMonster plugin updated to the most current version ensures that you have the latest features, fewest bugs, and smoothest experience. In this video, I'll show you how to update the OptinMonster plugin. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. WordPress comes with a built-in update system that automatically checks for updates. When updates are available for your plugins, themes, and core software, you'll see a notification next to the Updates link in the dashboard menu. Before you update the plugin, we recommend that you click the View Version Details link to see what changes we've made. When you're ready, select Install Update Now. And that's it. You'll see a success message and a link to go to the Plugins page. If you want, you can keep your OptinMonster plugin updated automatically by selecting Enable Auto Updates. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.